Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I have a really cool video to bring to you today, and that is the perfect car mount for the Galaxy Fold 3. So the Fold 3 is obviously a very big device, and finding a car mount for it is a little difficult. Now I've had a tablet car mount in the past, and that's fine, but what we have here today is one that has actually a wireless charger built into it. It automatically locks onto the Fold 3, and it's just perfect for all intents and purposes. So for this one, I just want to show you how it works. Basically, we just take the phone, drop it in, and then it automatically clamps on. Bam, simple, easy to do, very convenient. And then when you need to get your phone, you just hit this button right here at the bottom and go ahead and take it. Simple, easy to do. It's a 10-watt wireless charger, so pretty good speed for what you need, and just really, again, convenient for the most part. This is definitely the best wireless charger and best car mount I have been able to find for this phone, and it quite honestly is perfect. Let me know if you guys have any other questions, and make sure you subscribe to check out all of the accessories we have for the Galaxy Fold 3, including the little S Pen holder I have attached to this phone right now. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.